Alright, guys, welcome back to our lessons. So, we have been creating this beat since, and in the last class, we layered this bass track here. So, I think we are going to stop layering there. So, now, in this class, you do what I call premixing, where we arrange our tracks. Let's play this. Okay. Right, I'm going to try to increase the volume of the roots here. So if I push here, alright. So there are two ways to do that. You can also do that with the channel rock here. This is where we have the roots. So you can increase it here or reduce it here. Alright. As well, we can align this to the mixer track. This is channel 4 already, so push this to 5, 6 here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can put the bass immediately after the beat here. So we will make this is 8, we make this 8. 8, okay. So we make part 9 roads. Now 10. We can delete this. We can delete this hybrid. Alright. So we have 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is our arpeggio. This track 4 is our arpeggio. That is what I was trying to confirm. Alright, so we can now right click here. Right click each of these. Right click it. Now if you go to the mixer here, this is the mixer window. Let's close this player. If you go to the mixer window, you notice that it is aligned on the mixer window by what we did here. Okay, so we can start renaming this. What we have here is channel 1 is our 808 kick, channel 2 is our 707 kick. So we rename it that way. Channel 1 is 861 rename. 808. Okay. 2 is 707. We can also follow with this. Channel 3 is our hi-hat. Channel 3 is our hi-hat. So we rename what is hi-hats. Just call it hats. Hats here. Color it. 4 is our other hat and then snare. 4 here is hats or overhead. So we just use OH overhead and overhead. And this is our snare. 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 And then after the snare we have these two percussions. So I'm gonna call it pick 1 and 2. So we call this peg 1 and peg 2, peg 1 and peg 2. And then after that, channel 8 is the base, I think. Channel 8 is our base, yes. And 9 is our pad. Base, base, and then pad, pad, pad. After the pad, we have the roads, arpeggios, and guitar. Roads, arpeggios, and then the guitar here. Guitar. All right. So this let's play this. Notice. So this these are our each element of our beats is here, ready to be mixed. So we can start mixing up here. Okay. We could increase the guitar. Alright. Same thing with this kick. It's 808. This is how you prepare your beats for mixing. So 2 ways: either we mix here, like I said earlier in one of our lessons, either we can mix with FL. Each of these channels we can insert plugins. We can insert plugins here for what you want to do. For example, the kick here, this 808, we can use plugins. An EQ, we can equalize it, so to cut out part of the mid frequencies. Fab filter. Okay. This is a fab filter. So we play. Alright, so we could cut, do a low cut at 20 dB. So 24 octaves low. So now you can do that here. Cut it to let's this is cool. Alright. So that's how you can mix with FL Studio. So probably in our next lesson we are going to mix with FL. So but for now we can also export. In our previous lesson, one of our previous lessons, we exported for mixing in another DAW. So you can still try that here as well. So let's do that. Let's save our project and then file, export. Okay, or better, another way you can do this is if we come here, right click and drag the whole of this to the end and then save, then file, export, wave file. We select where we are going to save it. So here is okay, and then wave. Look at this split mixer track. This is where you make it come out as stems instead of a full mix, instead of a single stereo or mono mix. By splitting the mixer tracks, you make each of the tracks come out as a single mono track. So let's start this. Now we are done. So if we go to our folders, we come here. Okay, this is all right. This is here. This is what we have here. So this is the 707 because we named it. Okay, because this is how we named it. So this is the 707. This is the 808. This is the arpeggios. This is the bass track. This is the this is now this beat. Listen, this beat and this master. Let me control it. Is the entirety of the whole song. So let's play the beat. You can play it. See? So the beat is the whole song. Same thing with the master. Same thing with the master. Alright. So what you can do is you can delete the master and the current. You can delete it. Now you now have each of these individuals. So you can export it. You can export it. Oh, sorry, you can import it to another DAW, either Pro Tools or Logic or any DAW. You can import it there and mix. You can import it there and mix. Right. So in our next class, we will focus on mixing proper.